to get along with each other without laying blame. We share one nation and our planet too. And though we may have different beliefs, we can all agree that we are one human race. We are one, sharing this time and space. We are one.
Respected teachers, we are parents of Siddhi Kapoor of class 2nd B. In this lockdown period, children are attending online classes which are organized in very disciplined manner and with proper timetable. Studies and activity classes like dance, yoga and art are making Siddhi very confident and happy. She is enjoying and learning lot of things in online classes.
We are thankful to DHS
for online support as our kids were unable to access mental health support.
It is because of their sincere and efficient efforts that during this difficult time they created an environment just like a school. Co-curricular activities are also well demonstrated by the teachers.
देख पा रहा हूँ जूम कॉल पे जब से क्लासेस स्टार्ट हुई हैं सभी टीचर्स अपना 100% कंट्रीब्यूशन दे रही है, बच्चों की सारी एक्टिविटीज़ करा रहे हैं और हर चीज़ को मैनेज करके रखा उन्होंने। इतने सारे बच्चों को मैनेज करना बहुत बड़ी बात है, वो भी जूम कॉल पे। तो मैं धन्यवाद कहना चाहूँगा सभी टीचर्स को। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, यानी कि बच्चे की सारी एक्टिविटीज़ हो गई, योगा हो गया, डांस क्लास हो गई, उनकी लर्निंग हो गई, सब चीज़ को कंप्लीट करा उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से। थैंक यू सो मच।
DHS has come with the idea of online classes in this pandemic situation. Teachers are really very helpful, cooperative, and they are working very hard.
And I am very thankful to you guys, because in this scenario my child's education is not getting hampered. So thank you Team Delhi Heritage School, thank you every staff members, and I'm so happy to see your efforts.
We are thankful for Delhi Heritage School and teachers to come up with an idea of online classes for students, to establish a routine to keep child engaged and the discipline to follow, especially while staying indoors the entire day.
Children benefited with same process of learning as before lockdown.
Definitely it is very good option during this tough time, and I would like to thank you all the teachers and the principal for doing such a great job. Thank you DHS.
Friday activity was a very enjoyable activity for my child. She really enjoyed each and every class. I especially thank Headmistress of Delhi Heritage School, Mrs. Vibha Gupta ma'am, who has joined online session to boost up courage of every children.
Teachers have been extremely creative in order to use of the technology to make sure that the virtual classrooms are much more interactive and kids learn and share ideas and clear their doubts easily with their teachers. I see both my kids very excited every day to learn more things from their teachers on this online platform.
I feel and I have seen that my ward, she is studying very well and grasping also from online classes. Your teachers also has put their best efforts to make it more learnable sessions.
My sister is also taking online classes daily and she is really doing the hard work. The teachers are putting many efforts, they make the study very easy, and
being a daughter's teacher is not as easy as what we think. So we all are here to just want to let you know that we appreciate whatever the hard work you have put in them.
You have not left any stone unturned to teach our kids. Must to say, they are enjoying while studying and also learning a new technology.
Thank you DHS for these digital classes, for keeping the students motivated in such a bad situation also. The teachers, they don't just teach the students, they are preparing the kids for the road ahead in life. Congratulations DHS, as you guys are doing really appreciable task, and thank you teachers for motivating art and your kids.
School is showing great concern towards the learning of students.
this is so beneficial for students.
As my daughter is enjoying it very well, and she has started taking participation in every questions, everything. She is loving it, and she is managing herself by her own.